Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of Charlotte Tilbury makeup. So I'm very excited to try out all this makeup today. So over Christmas and during the sales time, I picked up a load of Charlotte Tilbury makeup from ASOS because it was all in the sale. So I didn't pay full price for any of this makeup, it was all in the sale. And over Christmas I did a big haul including all of this Charlotte Tilbury makeup, and it will tell you in that haul how much everything was because I'm not going to mention that in this video, so I will link that one down below. And recently I also did a Charlotte Tilbury foundation review on the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, so I will also link that down below for you as well. So I've already tried this one out. And there's a mascara and eyeliner in here that I had a few years back that I've also tried out. But everything else is new, so it's a complete first impression on everything else. And we are nearly at a full face. The only thing I don't have is primer and concealer. But other than that, everything else is Charlotte Tilbury. So yeah, let's just get started and test out the Charlotte Tilbury makeup. Okay, so I don't have a primer, but I do have a sample size of her Magic Serum. So it's the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on my face and then blend that in. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques stippling brush. That serum feels really nice on my skin. It feels really hydrating, really smooth, really soft. So far so good with that one. Okay, so now I'm going in with the foundation. So this is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the shade 2 Neutral. And I'm going to be applying that with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless foundation brush. Like I mentioned in my foundation review, I will link it down below for you guys, but this is way too dark for me. I did the colour match on her website, but it just didn't work at all. This foundation is going to be my summer shade, like when I've been on holiday and had a tan, but I can get away with it with my hair down. So just ignore that, but it's completely the wrong shade, but just ignore that and, and try and get past that because it is such a lovely foundation. So yeah, as you can see, the foundation is slightly too dark for me, but it is a really nice foundation. It's so smooth, so flawless on your skin, and it's medium to full coverage as well. So I just really love this foundation. Now I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury concealer, so I'm just going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1, and I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade 1 Fair. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to set my eye area first using my Morphe G35 brush. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe E2 brush. Okay, so I really like that powder. My skin looks so smooth, so flawless, just completely set. My face is completely set. I'm a bit picky with my pressed powders, but I absolutely love this. And just look at the packaging, looks so luxurious. It's also quite lightweight as well, so you can take it traveling. And yeah, I just really like the way that applied. I like the way it feels. I like the way that it's completely set my face effortlessly. So yeah, I just really like that powder, so that's good. Okay, next up I have this bronzer and highlight duo. So this is the Filmstar Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight, and it's in the shade light to medium. So it's just basically a bronzer and a highlighter, as you can see there. So I'm going to go in with the bronzer shade, and I'm going to use my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face with that. Okay, so I love that bronzer. I think that looks really good for my skin tone. I really like the way that that looks. So that's the bronzer done. Now for blush, I've got the Pillow Talk Cheek to Cheek Swish and Glow blusher in the shade Pillow Talk. And look at this, it just looks gorgeous. And I'm going to apply this with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush. And I love that blush. It's just perfect for my hair colour and my skin tone. I went in with a light hand because it does look like quite a dark blush, but it looks really, really good against my hair colour and my skin tone when you go in with a light hand, so that's really good. So big thumbs up for the blush as well. Now I'm going to go in with the highlight shade of the bronze and highlight duo. So I'm going to use the highlight shade with my Real Techniques setting brush. And yeah, I really like that highlight as well. That's lovely, nice and natural as well, not too blinding, which is perfect for my skin colour. So another big thumbs up for the bronze and highlight duo as well. Right, now I'm going to set my face with the setting spray. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, Party All Night, Stay All Day. So I'm just going to spray my face. So yeah, I really like that setting spray as well. It feels really nice and it smells really nice, so hopefully that makes it last as well. Now I don't have an eyebrow gel, so I'm just going to use this Glossier Boy Brow Gel. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Barbarella Brown. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then I'm going in with the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes mascara in the shade Super Black. And then finally for the lips, so I'm going in with the Pillow Talk lipstick. So this is the original Pillow Talk lipstick. So I'm going to pop this on my lips. Oh wow, I love that lip colour. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I didn't have any eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury. I didn't see any particularly that I thought was worth the money, so I didn't buy any eyeshadow, but what you could do is just use the bronzer as an eyeshadow as well. But yeah, that completes this Charlotte Tilbury makeup tutorial. I absolutely love this lipstick. This is now my #1 favourite lipstick at the moment. I love it. It just feels so amazing on my lips. I actually think it makes my teeth look a little bit whiter as well, and I just think it looks perfect with my hair colouring and my skin colouring. So I absolutely love this lipstick. It is gorgeous. And overall, I love my total makeup look. There wasn't any products here that I disliked. I loved every single product, which is amazing. And considering the price as well, I'm so glad that I liked everything. So what I would recommend you doing if you do want to try out some Charlotte Tilbury makeup is look out for the sales. I don't know if they do like mid-year sales, but I got all these from like Black Friday and the January sales. So I don't know if you want to wait that long, but I had them all from ASOS. But you can get like discount codes sometimes for ASOS and things like that. So if you have one of those, check out some of her makeup, Charlotte Tilbury, because it is incredible. I love everything. I just can't stop looking at my lips. I love this lip colour. It is amazing. So yeah, that completes this makeup tutorial. This was my Charlotte Tilbury makeup tutorial. So I hope that you liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!